Like, can I just brace your screens with my beauty?
King Perry Ponder, got the money, and when the money come, you want to get the honey. And I get what you do not fit, take it from me.
Job. No upgrade. Repeat that. Repeat Sorry. So not be only me now. Serious.
Aish. The hair boss. Right? Thank you, babes. Thank you.
You know, like you don't even need makeup.
You don't like. Listen. You do not, especially with
Just
black
too
hair.
much. Yeah.
Yeah.
Once the hair is on point.
Yeah. The rest is sorted. Thank you.
Come, let's start yours, man. Long one this week. Anyone will get them proper. Nah.
I'm graduating
Evans killed it.
Today. Okay.
really long one.
Let's see the ones you have seen proper.
Technically the link below, guys, as you know. Like, can I just brace your screens with my beauty? Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'm so happy that I'm starting this video not looking crusty. I feel like most of my videos I start looking hella crusty, so thank God today I'm starting it not looking crusty. Hi, if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, boo. On the channel, we're going amazing outings, show you amazing things to do, and it's an overall lifestyle channel. So as you guys saw, no, I don't know if I'm gonna. So yesterday actually I went to get my hair installed by Evans. So I'll just insert the clips after this video, and then I am going to lunch today, breakfast, actually brunch with Nomsa. We're going to Paul's in by Polo Fields Crossing. So I'll show you my outfit when I get there. I'm a bit late because I wanted to wait for load shedding to electricity to come back so that I can do my straighten my hair again and just lay the edges and hair dry. So yeah, Evans did the entire things. I'm gonna leave his handle here and throughout the clips that are gonna come next, but he killed my hair. My outfit I'll show you guys when I get to where I'm going because I think I'm a bit late, but you guys have seen the pants that I'm wearing and the shoes and the jewelry. This jacket came with the pants, but I'll explain when I get there. So yeah, let's go to Paul's. Hey guys, I just got here, but Nomsi's not here yet. Do you guys know that feeling that gets you when you're supposed to walk into a place alone? Like, I don't know, for me, some reason when I'm meeting someone and I want to walk into a place and they're not here yet, I get so much anxiety. But let me go out on a solo date, I'm good, you know. I don't get it. But anyway, I'm just gonna go in and sit and wait for her. It looks so packed, but yeah, it looks so packed though. Like, there's so much anxiety to walk in there alone, eh? Yeah, okay, let me just go. It's the gym way for me. You look so nice. Thank you. Look at you. You look amazing.
Is that, did you do your own makeup?
Yes.
Girl, I'm coming to you tomorrow.
Not this one at 12 o'clock with tequilas.
Anyway, your glasses. Burberry glasses. Hey guys, people. Hey, I'm gonna work Nami, guys. That was just like, actually.
Okay, can I please have the same actually? No. It's really good. I'll stick to my green tea. So what quiche is this, dude?
It's bacon.
Hi guys, morning and welcome back to this vlog. I'm so sorry, like I just sprayed deodorant and I got it on my top. Welcome back to this vlog. Like, I am so tired. Anyway, I just wanted to come and show you guys I got a package from Takealot. Just wanted to show you guys that. So I already unboxed it. I wanted a gimbal, right? Guys, can I just tell you, I don't even know how this thing works, but I'm gonna watch YouTube tutorials on how to use it and stuff. So it's a handheld gimbal. It's like 360 watt, like it rotates 360 degrees and it follows you like when you, it's a stick. I'll show you. So it comes in a thing like this and comes with like this thing. So I'm still trying to figure it out. Last time I tried figuring it out, but I was so tired, so I'll just try and figure it out today because I need to use it tomorrow. I'm going to a 40 event, which I'm going to take you guys along with me. So these are the buttons. So you switch it on there, that M and the Q thing, and then these are to control the thingy. It connects to your phone via Bluetooth, but you can also download an app apparently. But I literally have not sat down properly to try it out, so I'm just gonna try it out and figure it out and everything, and I'll come back and let you know what's up with it. So yeah, I think there's something here that needs to be, I don't know, but yeah, this is the gimbal, and it comes with a tripod stand as well. So it looks like this, and you can just like put it here, screw it on. So guys, this is 1.4 from Takealot. Something else that I wanted to say, oh, it comes with the charger as well, but yeah, the charger. Hi, Shapwena. I'm going to Ford.
Okay, alright. Yeah, before.
Yeah, but I forgot. Going straight, ne?
Yeah, straight. After second building, I care about Jigalio. Salam all the way.
I'm gonna get lost, yes. It's fine, but I think I'm gonna get lost. So I'm going to ground. The Ford cars, lapone.
Ford cars, wala. Pete.
Gopi?
Pete.
Okay, yeah. So I'm going straight.
Straight? No, we're going straight. After second building.
Yes.
We turn right.
Okay.
Then follow the road all the way. Go skip pen.
Yeah, the last time we met, go skid pen.
Skid pen.
Yes.
Okay. After second building, my cave, when I cave.
Okay.
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 Yeah, okay. Straight all the way.
Okay. Sure. Thank you so much, ne.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shab.
Right.
Just trying to create as much of content I can get. This gimbal is I don't know how to use it. You know that. It like turns. Like I don't want you to turn, bruh. Hunte. Oh, okay. I wanted to get a picture like in front of it. Just got here. Just had some tea and coffee, and then we're gonna get ready to hop onto these amazing vehicles. I'm so glad they have the new Raptors. I am so glad. Gonna appear in my vlog. Hi vlog. So yeah, guys, let's go.
2003, so it's been running for close to 20 years now. I believe, and we believe at Ford, that this is something that is really crucial in South Africa, particularly.
Thank you. Hi guys, and welcome back to this vlog. Today's Sunday. I literally just went to do my nails. One thing about me, guys, I forget to vlog. Like, I just forget to vlog. I'm so sorry, but I cut them much shorter because they were just too long for my liking. By the way, let me plug y'all, I got these sets from Mr. Price. Absolutely love them. I got like a brown one, and then I got 3 black, and I want to go get a purple, but I'm very skeptical about it because I feel like brighter colors make you look bigger. So yeah, but we'll see. Anyway, I just laid my hair again. I think I'm gonna remove it tomorrow. Yeah, I am going out on a date. I'm going out on a date tonight. So it's like 3 o'clock. We're going out. We're going to the restaurant at 6. So I just need to do my makeup, and then yeah, I'm not gonna take you out on the date, guys. I'm sorry. You know, it's just gonna be weird, awkward vibes if I do that. So yeah, I'm just gonna get dressed, then I'll come and show you what I'm wearing. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I'll come and show you what I'm wearing, and then I will end the vlog. But if I don't end the vlog, because I'll probably be running late, but thank you so much for watching. If you reach the point of this video, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll definitely see you on my next video. So I just want to show you guys what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this shirt. I don't know, I forgot where I got it actually. And then these pants, they are very long actually. well, ankle length. Oh, Lavantana downstairs. Ankle length. Got them from Mr. Price. And I'm wearing this from Levisa. This watch from Levisa. My earrings from Mr. Price. So yeah, I need to take off this hair tomorrow, guys. Yo. Okay, so let me get going. He is fetching me because I was just like, you know what, can I please be a passenger princess Naminje in my life? I'm always driving. So let me go, guys. He is on his way. So yeah.